hello everybody out there in YouTube land, Facebook land. Never land in the land of the rubber band. Yeah, he's Chief. Showing you guys what's done already. Finish up fixing up this thing. All I have to do is prime and paint. That's all that's left out of this project. So I'll get this out to Mikey real soon. I've had a couple delays, a lot having to do with my health. The condition of my back and all that stuff. So today my stepkids helped me get this thing finished sanding, and so I just I coated them down in asphalt, and I'll finish up. I'll have this thing finished by next week, weather permitting. I'll have this thing painted with bed liner. So just short update. Mikey's racks. Racks for Mikey. There you go. Till next time, he's Chief. I'm out.